Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Yaris Vitz, 2011 to 2018? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? I'll show you where they are located and explain how they keep your vehicle's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Toyota Yaris Vitz, 2011 to 2018, the passenger compartment fuse box protects circuits for comfort, convenience, and body electrical systems, including interior and dome lighting, power windows and door locks, power outlets, windshield wipers plus rear wiper, gauges and instrument panel electronics, and parking lights. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2011 to 2018 Toyota Yaris Vitz, the engine compartment fuse box protects essential engine and power delivery systems such as the fuel injection system, starter and ignition circuits, electric cooling fan, headlights, horn and charging circuits, ensuring stable operation of the engine and key safety functions. The engine compartment fuse box number 2 of the 2011 to 2018 Toyota Yaris Vitz protects circuits including the daytime running lights, cooling fan, ignition start system, and auxiliary systems. The relay box in the Toyota Yaris Vitz, 2011 to 2018, controls major high-current systems like the headlights, ignition, and heater or defogger, ensuring these components operate safely through dedicated relays. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.